So hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat score not showing on iPhone and Android device. Lot of Snapchat user has been reporting to when they tap on the profile sections that time Snapchat score is not showing on iPhone and Android device. Now the Snapchat users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on iPhone and Android device. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android device. Now first of all, open the Snapchat applications. Now you can see also left hand side corner profile section. Now please make sure tap on it. In the profile sections you can see also my snap score is available. Sometimes lot of users to say my Snapchat score is not available and not showing problem on my Snapchat account. Now question is what to do. Now I will show you first important solutions for fixing this issue on your iPhone and Android device. Now the solution is first of all deactivate your Snapchat account. Now question is what to do. Now first of all open the any browser like Safari and Chrome browsers. Open the browsers. After you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search Snapchat deactivate. Now first one official Snapchat support team's websites available. Now please make sure tap on it. In these sections you can see also account portal options available. Now you can see also delete account options available. Now enter your correct username and password. Before do this, please make sure email address and also mobile link to your Snapchat account. This all the things done. After again tap on the continue. This way too you can easily Snapchat account is deactivated. Your Snapchat account deactivated after wait for the 1 and 2 hours. After again reactivate your Snapchat account from your iPhone and Android device. Now the Snapchat users question is how to reactivate a Snapchat account on your iPhone and Android device. For the activations, now first of all open the Snapchat app and now you can see also tap on the login section. Now again enter your correct username and password. This way too you can easily Snapchat reactivate on your iPhone and Android devices. These solutions too I sure 100% working for the Snapchat score is not showing problem fix. Now the second solution is latest versions to update your Snapchat account. Now first of all open the Play Store in the Android devices and App Store in the iPhone. Now the top corner search bar. In search bar search Snapchat. Search the Snapchat. After you can see also if you any latest versions available. Now latest versions to update your Snapchat applications on your iPhone and Android devices. These two solutions apply on your Snapchat account. This way too you can easily fix your Snapchat score not showing problem on your iPhone and Android devices. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.